Welcome to JH. Today, I will show you how to block and unblock someone on Instagram. The process is very straightforward. Start by navigating to the profile you want to block. Once there, go to the top right corner and tap the three dots. Select Block, which is the second option. Instagram then offers two choices. You can block this person and any future accounts they might create, or simply block the specific profile. I am going to choose to block only this account. At the bottom, you have the choice to block or block and report. If the profile seems suspicious or violates community guidelines, you should report it. I will just click Block, since I only want to hide their posts. Now the user is blocked, and a message appears saying you can unblock them at any time. To do that, just return to those three dots in the upper right. Tap them, select the Unblock option, and confirm by clicking Unblock, followed by OK. It really is that simple. If this tutorial was helpful, please subscribe, like the video, and comment below with any questions or future video ideas. See you next time.